try and come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything real need. You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Kayla D, Caribbean Queen. Beauty.
Loves, welcome back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I just got this wig from LuvmeHair, and as you guys already know, we're just gonna go ahead and install it on camera. So let's get into it. Looking like we got a colored wig today, and then here's everything else that comes with your wig. This wig right here is Luvme Chestnut Brown Highlight 7x6 Lace Closure Wig. It's a long curly unit with breathable cap, as you guys can see on the inside. It also comes with some combs and an extra elastic band in the back. The hairline also comes pre-plugged. The lace is already cut and your hair is already pre-styled for you. Now, just by putting this wig onto my head, as you guys can see, that lace is given scalp. The hairline is so beautiful and the lace just looks so melted. It's definitely given skin. Also, the hair color on this unit is so gorgeous. I love the highlights in it. It just looks so natural. Now, this is their 7x6 lace closure unit. As you guys can see, you do get a pretty good amount of lace. It's not a full like frontal, but it still covers majority of your forehead, as you guys can see. So like my lace goes from right here to about right here, which still gives you a good width of lace. So very nice, very natural, and also you do get a pretty deep parting space, which I'm absolutely loving. And your unit does come pre-styled for you, so you already have the part here, but I think I do need to go in and it's kind of like super straight, so I want it a little slanted, so I'm going to switch the part in. Like even the curls in the back here are super pretty. I am going to need to go in with some mousse or some products just to like define the rest in the front, but so far so good. I think this looks really natural and I'm so excited to like just fix it. Right now, I'm just going in with my rat tail comb and I'm reparting the hair. Then I'm going in with my wax stick, making sure that everything is flat and nice before I go in with my hot comb just to flatten everything down. Then after all that, I'm going in with some mousse just to define the curls and tame it. That way there's no frizzes or no puffiness. To already find the curls, I'm going in with some water and some mousse, and I'm just adding this to the hair, then taking my finger and retwisting the curls, as you guys can see, to give me like that really tight curl look in certain sections. But that was pretty much about it as far as like styling the hair. And not to mention, this wig is completely glueless, no adhesive was used. So this is definitely a wig that you're able to just try on and go when the daytime comes, like no work is needed. And yeah, super great wig.
I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body.
Also, the baby hairs on this unit is optional. The look that I was going for, I felt like it was just needed, so that's why I added it. But again, you definitely can wear this wig without the baby hairs. And once I was finished all of that, I just added some concealer to the parted space just to highlight that part. And that was pretty much it. I let the hair sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to fully dry. And this was what the wig was looking like once I was finished. So beautiful. The curls are super natural looking. And honestly, you guys, I think my favorite thing on this unit would definitely have to be the curls. They just look so natural. Like, you cannot tell me this is not my hair. And the wig is completely glueless. It's not being held down with anything. And the baby hair is optional. I really didn't need it, but I feel like that little swoop would have just added a little extra razzle dazzle to the wig. So yeah, this is definitely one of those wigs where you can just get up in the morning, throw it on, and go. The only thing you would have to really do is just define the curls, and that is about it. But the wig also, it pretty much already comes styled for you. So yeah, 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this. This is the wig from LuvmeHair. If you guys are interested, I will have everything listed down below for you guys. If I do have a discount code, that will be listed down below as well. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this hair. How are we feeling the curls? Comment down below, let me know how are you guys feeling this, because I feel like this is just such a natural looking wig, and you cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Like, you just can't. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Trying to come back when you're famous. I always want to prove, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.